Ayman Gadzi, 23 years old multimillionaire, once said, "Making money was never easier." He was right. With laptop and Wi-Fi, you can make as much money as you desire. Let me explain. I was doing dropshipping, affiliate marketing, and YouTube automation for the last 7 years, but it took me 6 years to understand it. It is called hook and attention. I will tell you the story for you to understand carefully. Once you do, you'll become obsessed. Ayman Gadzi had always been a dreamer, but for most of his life, he struggled to turn those dreams into reality. He had a knack for spotting opportunities and understanding human psychology, but it wasn't until he stumbled upon the world of dropshipping that everything clicked. Ayman had a unique talent. He could hook people's attention like no one else. He had always been the life of the party, the one who could command a room with his presence. His friends often joked that he should become an actor, but Ayman had different plans. One day, while scrolling through his social media feed, Ayman noticed an ad for an online course on dropshipping. The ad promised the chance to make money online by selling products without ever holding inventory. Ayman's attention was hooked instantly. He decided to take the plunge and invest in the course. As he delved deeper into the world of dropshipping, he realized that his ability to grab people's attention could be a game changer. He understood that in the online business world, attention was the most valuable currency. Ayman started his dropshipping journey by meticulously researching products that had the potential to go viral. He understood that the key to success was finding products that could hook people's attention effortlessly. He spent hours scouring the internet looking for the perfect product. Finally, he found it, a unique, eye-catching gadget that solved a common problem. Ayman knew that this product had the potential to grab people's attention and make them take notice. He wasted no time in setting up his Shopify store and creating compelling ad campaigns. But Ayman didn't stop at just creating ads. He used his natural charisma to connect with his audience on a personal level. His video ads were not just informative, they were entertaining. He used humor, storytelling, and a touch of drama to keep viewers glued to their screens. Within weeks, Ayman's dropshipping business began to take off. His ads went viral and people couldn't stop talking about his products. His ability to hook their attention and keep them engaged was paying off in spades. As his sales soared, Ayman reinvested his profits into scaling his business. He continued to find unique products that could grab attention and maintained his engaging ad campaigns. His dedication to understanding his customers' psychology paid off, and he became a true master of hooking attention. In a matter of months, Ayman Gadzi went from a dreamer with a unique talent to a dropshipping sensation. His story was proof that in the world of online business, the ability to hook attention was the ultimate superpower. His success served as an inspiration to countless others who wanted to follow in his footsteps and turn their dreams into reality. Ayman knew that his journey was far from over, but he had learned a valuable lesson. In the world of dropshipping, attention was everything, and he had mastered the art of grabbing it, one product at a time. If you understood the moral of this story, congratulations, you have equal over 130. Follow for more.